cute though. Oh, look at it. It literally looks like jam. Oh my god, I know what I'm doing tonight, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Guess what I have? I can't believe this. I swear this is really early. I think the release is meant to be next Tuesday. I've had to open it because I was at such a loss, but I've not looked in it yet. I've got the new Lush Bridgerton Collection. I'm so confused. The early release on the app is next Tuesday, and if we do ever get any PR parcels sent our way, it's usually on that day. What is the day today? It's Friday. I can't. Let's have a look, guys. Early exclusive, so you can see what they're bringing out for the Bridgerton collection and see if you guys want to purchase it yourself. So I had to open it up because I'm still waiting for my Lush kitchen box, which is also Bridgerton. Stupid me, I know it's Yodel delivering it, but it was a DPD guy that came. But I was just looking at this and I was just so confused as to why we've got it so early, but I'm not complaining. This is fantastic. I'm just like so happy. Let's take a look. You open it up, you've got a little emblem here. You've got a little lovely card, which has a little note on the back, which I'll read for you guys. And then the products are in there. I don't know what we've got, but whatever it is, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be fantastic, Rude. Do you want to come cuddle me? So it says, dearest readers, it is with the greatest pleasure and no small amount of alacrity that we announce this sumptuous debut of products to complement the most enticing release of the summer entertainment calendar, none other than Netflix and Shondaland's, I'm so sorry, these are long words, third instalment of Bridgerton. We usher in this glorious union with divine floral scents, honey sweet softness, glimmering waters, and a slathering of sweet scented jam, and so much more. The forthcoming collection will make its debut on the 7th of May on the Lush app and the 9th of May at lush.com. In the meantime, we entreat you to revel in these exclusive bathing and showering confections. Gosh, that's all very long words for me. So cute though. Let's take a look at these products. You guys, can you believe it? Right then, I'm just going to dig in. I did a video earlier showing the products because a picture came out of them. So I did a little video on my TikTok of the products. So I vaguely remember what they're called, which is really helpful. Look. So this is the first product. Oh, gorgeous. This is called B, I believe. I will pop the correct names here if I am incorrect, but I'll put the names here for you anyway, and the details, how much they cost, and the scents and such. Oh, I've got a slightly one with a little bit of a wonk on, but that's nice. Bit of extra product by the look of it. So it says on the sides, which I know is going to be super duper hard for you to see because my camera is shocking, it says Lush times Bridgerton, and this smells like Honey, I Washed the Kids. And who wouldn't want a massage bar of Honey, I Washed the Kids? This is actually called a body balm. So it isn't listed as a massage bar that I noticed, but we'll see what it comes up as on the website. But on the little release image and the info that was given, it did say body balm. Oh, that smells gorgeous. Just like Honey, I Washed the Kids. That classic sweet honey, slightly caramel. It's the real gourmandy, sweetie, lovely foodie scent. Look at it. And it's got a wonderful little bee on. I believe is the bee. I did actually watch Bridgerton last year when I was pregnant. I was not very well for a while, so I had to stay in bed, and I did binge watch the whole of Bridgerton, but I can't remember it all vividly. But I think the bee is an emblem of some description to do with the show. But that's exciting. Oh, I'm so happy that I've got these products. I can't believe it. Next up that I can see, which this product is what I was most excited for, and it is the C and B Scene Rose Scented Body Wash. So this one smells just like rose jam. And at the beginning of me and my rose jam journey, I wasn't like overly struck by it, but I'm in love with rose jam now. I love anything rose jam scented. So I was very excited for this. And as you can see, it looks like a pot of jam. It literally looks like jam. Have a look at that. Oh, wow. That's just what you want, that is. Oh my goodness gracious. That's phenomenal. So it says, this sweet and silky lemon rose wash will have you smelling decadent and ready to step into your spotlight. Fabulous. So if you don't know Rose Jam, it is a predominantly floral scent, but it is a very sweet floral scent. So it's not really, it's not authentic floral, if that makes sense. It is a rose, but to me it's a lot sweeter than it is floral. I don't really, that's the only way I can explain it. If you can ever give it a sniff, give it a sniff. But for me, it was one of those products that I had to keep sniffing, and I was like, it took me a while, and then I was like, I love this. I love it a lot. That is going to be a phenomenal to use. Oh my God, I know what I'm doing tonight, guys. Sorry, I'm so obnoxious. Next up, we've got this bath bomb, which is, I do remember that this is £5, but I don't remember what it is called. No, it's called Family Rivalry or something like that. Again, I'll pop the name around here for you guys. But you've got a little bee, and then you've got Lush on the back, and it is a macaroon type bath bomb, which I love. Oh, hang on, is this the bubble bar? I think it's a bath bomb. I wonder how the middle melts. That must be just like a cocoa. Ooh, yeah, like an extra little cocoa moisturization level. I believe this is yuzu and cocoa scented from what the info said. I should stop guessing really, shouldn't I? Just probably giving you all the wrong info. That smells gorgeous though, really nice. I've never smelt yuzu and cocoa in another product if it is that scent, so I can't really compare it to much. The one side smells more lemony and fruity than the other side, but it's nice. I like that. It's a very sort of fresh scent. Lovely, lovely. Next up, so excited for this one. I wonder if there's anything in the middle of it. I don't know. Ooh, wow. This is the, oh, can I remember it? Cut Colour Clarity Carrot and Clarity. Cut Colour Carrot and Clarity, I believe this is called. So it's a lovely, gorgeous diamond shape. How stunning is that? I'm sorry. Then you've got a lovely crown on the top with shimmer. I was expecting my Bridgerton kitchen box today, so I did some pink eyeshadow. I did my nails purple, like trying to do the vibe. But then I got so, I was going to put a little cute cardigan on and stuff, but then I got really excited with this box. I just chucked a nail t-shirt on. But yeah, this smells stunning. I can't remember what that smells meant to be. I don't think it's a new scent though. I think it's a returning scent. But that's gorgeous, super fresh. I would say fruity, bit lemony. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. That's going to be stunning in the bath. It's got shimmer all over it. All right, baby. I'm all about this. I can't believe I currently have these products. I'm like awestruck. I'm just all over the shop. Next product we've got is the Cremon Glaze body lotion. So this, I believe you can only purchase in this little tub, which is fine. I believe these are 100-gram tubs. Yes, they are. Let's open it up and have a look. Oh my God. I've never smelled Cremon Glaze before. That's bloody gorgeous, isn't it? So he's in a little tub like this. There's your lotion. Let's see how thick it is, shall we? Oh, that is thick. Thick. We like it thick around here. We like a lot of moisture because we need it in our old age, don't we, Charlie? That's phenomenal. And I remember that scent from when I was younger. It's all flooding back to me. Why am I closing it? We need to describe it, don't we? Let's have a look at what the ingredients are. So you've got loads of cocoa butter in there, fresh rose petal infusion, jojoba oil, avocado oil, orange blossom, resinoid, vanilla absolute. Yeah, so that's very vanilla-y. Oh, just a really nice vanilla scent with something else in it though. I can't figure out what the other little in it is, but it is something really sweet and gorgeous. That is a very foodie lotion, and I'm all about foodie lotions. got those 5 products from the Bridgerton collection, which I'm absolutely thrilled about. The only product we're missing in that one is the perfume, but I will be purchasing the perfume. Let me tell you that now. So stay tuned on here, my lovelies, because we will be trying that one out too. I cannot believe how blooming lucky I am. I can't believe that I get these things. So, oh, these are stunning. Like the packaging as well. I'm all about this packaging. It's so decadent and lovely and aristocratic. Do you know what I mean? It's like really royal looking. I love it. I just absolutely love it. This is just, oh my God, I can't. Oh, it's so thick. Shall I quickly stick my finger in it and show you how thick it is? Let's have a go, shall we? Oh my God, it's legit like jam. What the fudgy fudge. A bit like slime that is, you know. Ever so slightly. Very lovely and thick body wash though. That is going to be gorgeous. Definitely going to be using that with my rose jam shower gel, and I think I have a little bit of a rose jam body massage bar over there as well. We'll pop that on too. What a stunning little collection. Absolutely beautiful. I'm super excited. Like I said, I'll grab the perfume as well. I will absolutely try that one out for you guys. Stay tuned as usual. You know me, I test all of these products out, so they will be tested out on shorts and with this collection, because I think we get another similar bath bomb like this in the kitchen box that is meant to be coming any minute. So I'm probably going to do a long video trying all of these products out in a YouTube video, and then I'll do shorts on the others. But yeah, thanks so much, Lush. I love you guys more than you'll ever know. Well, I think you know, actually. You can tell by how mental I am in the videos. Let me know what you guys are thinking of picking up from this collection, if you're thinking of getting anything or not. All of it smells phenomenal, I will say. Not one little bit in that I don't like. My favourite though is defo this and this. So the Cremon Glaze and the Sea to Be Seen. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah, okay, thanks so much, Lush. You guys are the best. Yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the collection, what you're going to get, if you're going to get anything. Yeah, I'm just so excited to share this with you guys. I hope you guys have the most fantastic day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.